travel vlog. So right now we're at the airport getting ready to, well, we're not getting ready to do anything. Okay, it's 8:30 and our flight doesn't board until 9:50, but we were just trying to get here on time to be extra cautious. So I'll let you guys know when we land. Comes with a doorbell. Oh. Yep, it comes with a doorbell. You hit your key. If you guys been out of the country in some resorts, you know that you have to keep a key in at the door at all times for the power. Here we have basically if we want service, if we want to set the mood, you guys kind of see what's going on here. We have buttons. You can turn whatever on and off. I think that's the light, I'm not sure. When you first walk in, there's a huge closet. I don't know if you guys can see, but if you when you open the closet, there's a robe, 2 pairs of house shoes, an ironing board, hangers, an extra pillow and blanket, laundry, shoes, iron, and you know, I don't know the actual term of that, but that's where you set your suitcase on when you're like going through your clothes and stuff. And they have drawers as well and a safe. So we got a suite and you can see all of LA. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. This is so surreal, super surreal. And when you first come in here, you make a left, because I don't know my left and right. Here's our bathroom. I like that the mirror is very long. I like that the sink is very spacious. They have your basic you know, toiletries here, the lotion, gel, conditioner, shampoo, and then you got your cotton balls, shower cap, makeup wipes, nail file, things of that nature in there. Your hand soap and cups for, I use these cups normally for gargling Listerine. Then in the drawer, that drawer's empty. That don't open. In this drawer, there's a blow dryer, there's some hand towels and a scale and a trash can. I love bathrooms with trash cans. Y'all don't even want to know the half. Here it is so beautiful. This is a shower with the glass going all around, and they have a towel. It looks so pretty. There's 3 handles in here. I think one is hot and cold. One is to control the overhead shower rod up here, or shower head. I like that they have the shower head coming down, and also they have one where you can, you know, maneuver around your body. So the squeaky stuff is my shoes. So here is the tub. Oh my god, here is the tub. They give you a hand towel, another body towel, and some soap here. Here is the restroom. Nothing really like super fancy, but I like that, you know, it's closed off from the bathroom, so if someone's taking a dump, like, you know, the smell won't get out of here. Hopefully it don't, because whoo, child. So then here is the sitting area here. Oh my gosh, like it's still all open glass. I mean, of course you can close it with the curtains. I cannot talk.
That's Maze Bank or GTA.
I don't even know what that is, but they have a couch here, so cute. Here, right here to my left, there's more open window space. There's a lamp, table, chair, and here is the bed. Look at the nice background, clear sky, 72 degrees, whatever. But the bed looks so cute. I like the decor in here overall. We have an alarm clock here, a big TV, a reading lamp, another trash can, coffee. They have like the little pods here. It probably ain't free. An ice bucket, and there's multiple drawers. So this is, I would think, to put my jewelry in here or watches. And I believe the last two are empty. Here is the refrigerator. Let's see what they got up in here. Okay, they won't let me open it. I don't think I'm too strong, so I'm not gonna open it, but I'm pretty sure they got some good goodies in there. Then over here we have the alarm clock. We have 5 chargers, 2 USBs, and 3 regular plugs. Also another reading lamp. Then we have the bench at the end of the bed. I don't know if benches have a proper term, but the ones at the end of the bed, but yeah, it's a bench. And they left 2 fresh nap hand wipes. And here's another control panel where you can control the climate, the room light on and off, the night light, scents, different scents and lights. Also, it's 5 chargers here, 2 USBs, and 3 plugs. And I don't know if I said the remote is here, but there's the remote. There's also additional spacing here where you can put anything there at the bottom, as well as over here. So, and on the wall we have 2 more charger spaces, and we have the thermostat. And I like that they have a full body mirror. Well, I want to show myself. Here they have a full body mirror with the LED lighting going around. That is genius, whoever did that, because, you know, we want to see how we look clearly. So yeah, so that concludes the mini room tour. Y'all, let me tell y'all, it took us 30 minutes to go everywhere. We finally found something to eat. Okay, like I said before, we're in this Japanese restaurant called, what is it? Volcano. And we're so hungry, but this is the drink I got. I forgot the name of this drink. What's the name of this drink?
Passion fruit.
Something like passion something. Passion fruit. And Deja, what you got?
Prickly pear.
Oh, prickly pear.
I just made that.
And we tore that sushi up. I couldn't even record it for y'all because I was so hungry.
Yeah, I had that.
Black pepper. Yeah, you can just sit in the middle. Can we get a side of whatever sauce? Is that teriyaki or eel sauce?
Eel sauce.
Yeah, can we get a side of that, please?
And that extra, well, we can use on these plates.
Yeah, I'm gonna use that plate. But yeah, we got wild crab fried rice. I don't know why you got an additional rice. And yeah, this is like beef filet mignon, but it's in like a sauce. Pepper, something pepper sauce.